guys, welcome back to my channel. As 2024 is coming to an end and as we are approaching to 2025, I have decided to let go of things which are not going to help me in new year or which are not going to be important for me in the new year. Which is why I have created this video to let go of some personal things in coming new year. Letting go is not bad. It's about creating a new space for your opportunity, growth and your new mindset. So let's start with the physical things which are unnecessary clutter in my life and which I do not need often, which do not hold any space in my life. First category of physical things are old clothes. I have so many old clothes and from the last year and last to last year which I do not wear now because as I am growing, my sense in clothes have been changing and I have decided to finally let go of those old clothes and either I'm going to donate it or I'm just going to give it to the people who need it. Second thing in my list is outdated decor. Outdated decor, I want to replace it with a new fresh pieces of wall decor, wall art or some new furniture or the pop of new color, because replacing it with the fresh pieces will give me some fresh feeling of my room. The third physical thing is decluttering the things which I do not use often. The things which are just taking space in my home, I am going to declutter all of them. I like minimal look of my home and which is why it is so important for me to declutter all those things which just creating a mess in my room. And all of those things which I do not need, decluttering those items will feel so refreshing and it will also clear my mind too. Letting go of all these old physical things and decluttering all of these things will create a new fresh feeling and it will also clear your mind space too. I'm not going to spend my money on the things which I do not need or it is not necessary for my life. For example, the subscription which I don't use. I used to have so many OTT subscription before, but then I now have decided that I am not going to use all of them because honestly I don't get that much of time. I only watch it on weekends or while I'm eating. So I have made the conscious decision to let go of those subscription or unsubscribe for those OTT platform which I do not use often. Buying clothes just because it is on sale? No. I used to be the person, I was obsessed with buying clothes. The clothes which looks good on me, which is very trendy, or the clothes which are on sale. But now I have made the decision, I'm only going to buy clothes if I need them. I'm not going to buy clothes just because they are on sale. I am the person who likes to cook at home, which is why I have decided not order the food from any food apps and I'm going to uninstall my food apps. I am going to only keep one food delivery app and I'm going to mostly cook at the home only, which is why I do not need to order the food. I'm only going to order food if I really craving those outside food or there is some special occasion in my life, then only I'm going to order food. Otherwise I'm mostly going to cook food at home only. I used to be a person who used to buy a skincare products like hell. Like there was no limit. Any new skincare products is in the market, I wanted that. I have decided this year that I'm not going to fall for this trap. I'm going to have my minimal skincare routine, which is why I only need minimal skincare products this year. I'm cutting off all the multiple lip balms or multiple skincare which I do not need. I'm going to keep my skincare very minimal this new year. I have been ordering grocery from a long time online, but the only problem with ordering online grocery is that you do not get to know if the fruit is fresh, and also they charge a lot of money because we are ordering them online, which is why I have decided that I am going to go to the grocery store personally and then buy them from the grocery store. The mental things which I am letting go of this years are the people who don't bring happiness or don't bring peace into my life. I have already a very small circle of people people, but I have learned along the way that it is so important that you choose the right people. Just because you're talking to someone or spending time with other people does not mean that they genuinely care about you or they want you to be successful in your life. So which is why it is so important for me that my circle is very small, or even though I am choosing the few people in my life, those people should bring the happiness into my life, or those people should help me or support me in my career growth and be happy for my success. Another thing is that the thoughts which no longer serves me. There are so many thoughts goes in your life that you are just constantly overthinking, but this overthinking is take us nowhere, which is why it is so important to let go of those thoughts and stop worrying about what you cannot control. Instead, focus on spending time with your family and friends. Write down those thoughts which you have into the journal and have some positive affirmation. Worrying about those thoughts is not going to help you and not going to take you anywhere, which is why it is so important to live in the present moment and to live the life. Next thing on my list is negative self-talk and limiting beliefs. Like, you have so much potential and you can do whatever you want. You just have to decide what you want to do, because if you have this limiting beliefs that you gonna do this, I have so many problems, I have so many reasons, then you will not go anywhere. You'll be just stuck at one place. Which is why it is so important to let go of these limiting beliefs and negative self-talk. Instead, you can do the positive affirmation and self-compassion for yourself. You can do journaling, or you can spend your time with your family or friends. Now let's talk about the technical things which I am letting go, which contains a lot of unnecessary technical, or you can say digital clutter. First thing on my list is that I have so many emails in my mailbox which I do not need every day. Those can be promotional, those can be spam, or those can be newsletters which I don't even read often. Which is why I am going to unsubscribe all those emails which is just taking my space in my mailbox. And clearing and unsubscribing all those emails will have the organized mailbox in my email. Decluttering of old note drafts which no longer serves the purpose for me. I'm going to remove all those things from my digital space, because it is going to make my digital space very tidy, and it will also help me to focus my mind. Letting go is not just about getting rid of the things, it's about making space for your new experiences, new ideas, and new opportunities. When we hold on to too much, whether it is your digital clutter or physical things or your mental baggage, we block ourselves to move forward. Which is why letting go is so important, and it is first step towards your growth. Imagine this: you want to take a new job, but because of your current job you're not able to move forward because you're so comfortable, the people are good, the work is good. But new job can bring out so much within you, and it can have a endless opportunity and endless learning and knowledge you don't even have idea about. Which is why it is so important to take that chance and get out of your comfort zone, apply for that new job or take that job. Another example you can say as getting to a new place or moving towards a new place. I know some of people are so comfortable living in our own shell, and because it provides us so much comfort that we just don't want to let go of that place and move towards a new place. Imagine that that new place is going to bring out so much within you. You are having new opportunities and new growth, and you are going to be a very different person. Who would not want to take that chance? Which is why it is so important to let go of things. Another example is that you can try new things. For example, you can try new hobbies which are going to help you to bring joy and happiness into your life. You have to take those classes. So as we prepare to step into 2025, get out of your comfort zone. Let go of those things which are not going to help you in a new year to grow, which will create the space for the life you want. I hope this video serve you to take that first step toward your growing journey of your life. At first it is going to be hard, but once you take that first step, it is going to be all worth it. So here's to brighter, lighter and more intentional year ahead. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I would love to hear from you. What are the things which you are letting go in this coming 2025 year? Please share it in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you all.